Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now my another topic in digital electronics series K-map is 5 and 6 variable K-map. Now I will explain how can we make the grouping of 5 and 6 variable K-map. Let's suppose we have one 5 variable K-map A, B, C, D, E. So for 5 variable K-map 2 to the power 5 32 cells are there. So we should make 2 16 variable K-map. Okay. 2 16 variable K-map. Sorry for interrupt. There is a network issue. That's why camera angle is for 2 variable. One variable is constant for each block. Now C B C D E B C D E 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now how can we make the numbers 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 and 31. Now how can we make the grouping? Let's suppose 0, make the number 0 1 2 5 7 11 12 15 18 20 20 22 24 28 32 31 because last number is 31. This is our how can we write the number of ones. Now grouping can be done like this. I will do this with the another color. First we check there is any 8 or 16 number of grouping. No, there is no grouping. Now we make 4 grouping. There is any 4 grouping? No, I think no. Okay. Now because there is no one present and there is no one present, so we can make this group 2 and this group 2. This can be grouped by this. Okay. Now this 2 can be grouped because we don't consider 3. We group only 2. This can be grouped by like this. This can be grouped like this. And this one can be grouped like this. Okay. Now this one can be grouped like this. Now we should write the equation for this. This is only A bar, A bar, okay. Because this block A is constant, A bar and B bar, C bar. Plus for this A bar, because A is constant, student do mistakes for this block. So always remember for this block A equal to 0 and for this block A equal to 1. Now A bar and this will be B bar C and there will also a component that is E bar. The E is eliminated, that is D bar because it is 5 variable. Now this will be A bar, B bar C and this will be D E. Plus for this will be A bar will be there because there is a block and B will be there and this will be D and E. Plus this for this will be grouping like from this. So from this to this A will be eliminated. Okay, if we jump from this to this, A will be eliminated and B bar C bar is there and only from this to this 1 0 1 0, that is D E bar, plus this and this one and this one. Now we will consider this. So A bar A is eliminated, only B, C bar, D bar, E bar, plus this happen. Now this one, okay, because this is here, so this one will be A is eliminated, B, C, D, E, plus this will be A will be there, because for this A is constant A, and from here to here C, and here D bar, E bar, plus this has been considered for this has been considered. Now this has been considered, and this for this A, and here to here B bar, and here to here is no elimination, so D E bar. So this is a final answer of 5 variable K-map. Now I will explain you a 6 variable K-map here. 6 variable K-map 2 to the power 64. So we should make 4 16 variable K-map. Okay, 4 16 variable K-map. Like this. A B C D, D C D E F, C D E F. Take common variable in each. In 5 variable, only one variable is constant for each block. There is 2 variable constant, A B equal to 0 0, here A B equal to 0 1, A B equal to 1 1, A B equal to 1 0. Now 0 1 2 3, because 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 29 30 31 30 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 61 62 and 63. How can we write? I have explained earlier. Now we should consider our numbers like this: 1 6 8 4 6 7 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 10 will be there, 10 13 15 16 17 20 37 37 40 40 41 42 43 44 46 45 46 47 57 57 56 57 61 62. Okay, let we have some don't care condition over there because of your confusion of don't care. Let's suppose we have some don't care condition like 1 2 3 4 7 12 14 9 11. Okay, we have these don't care condition. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6 are there also. Okay, 5. I think this is a mistake. There is a 5 also. I have written this, so that's why. Okay, 6, 7. Okay, we have some don't care condition also, like 53, 49, 21 and 45. These are some don't care conditions are there. So we should write these don't care condition in our questions. So we should consider these also. 1, 3, 2, 4, 7, 12, 14, 9, 11. Okay, now there is 11, 53, 49, 45 and 21. These are some don't care condition over here. Now you should consider first these blocks are constant AB00. So we should group first of all 16 group. These all blocks are 16. Now this 4 is grouping and you can make this group by this 8. Okay, this and this can make the 8 grouping. Now we will make this 8 group. Okay, now you can make this 4 group. All ones are considered. Now no, this can make the grouping by this and this one can make the grouping by this. Okay, now how can we write the equation? This 16. Okay, this 16, C and D is eliminated and E and D is eliminated. Only A bar and B bar is there because for this A bar, B bar is constant. Now for this C bar, and from here to here you can check C, D, E, F. E, only E bar is there, and from here to here A is B is eliminated because 0, 0 to 0, 1. So A bar plus from here to here you can check AB is constant because some students make mistakes. So constant block have written first. Now from here to here C is only, D is eliminated. From here to here EF will be eliminated. Now from here to here AB is there, and from here to here C is eliminated, only D, and from here to here though nobody is eliminated, EF bar. Now from this will be A, B bar. From here to here CD is eliminated, and from here EF bar plus from here to here you can check A from 10 to 11 to 10, so A. Now here no elimination is there, C, D, and there E, F bar. So this is our final equation. This is a 16 variable, this is a 6 variable K-map. So these are some questions. You have to do this and send me with your answer. I will explain if there is any problem. This is problem for 5 variable and this is for 6 variable. You should remember this. And this is also a problem for don't care condition 5 variable. You should note it down and send me the answer. You can make note regarding this. Okay, send me the answer. If there is any problem, I will explain how can we do this. Okay, so you do this and send me the answer. This is also a 5 variable K-map. I think this. Okay, so please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will upload as soon as possible. Thank you. Good day. Take care.